Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I treated myself last week for my birthday and finally got my hands on some new hair from Outre. I mean, get into it though. Like, look at that color. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this wig so I can give you all the details and my first impression on this Swoop series wig. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, then you probably saw a sneak preview earlier this week of me unboxing this hair and just taking a look at the wig and all the updates and improvements made in this series from the Perfect Hairline. First of all, the packaging is everything. That's the A+ in my book because I just love the sleekness of it, and packaging is everything. So I was really excited to finally get my hands on one of these units because y'all snatched everything up, okay? Y'all snatched it up online in the stores, but I was able to find a unit from the series at my local beauty supply store, and it looks good from the inside out. Now, I picked this up in the unit style Swoop number 4, and I got this in Swiss brown. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous. I knew I wanted to try something different, but I wasn't quite sure how that color was gonna look on me. So a big plus about this series from the Perfect Hairline is that they boast that there's more space on the sides, so that gives us more room for styling without the bulkiness or the track showing on the side, so you can, you know, do a deeper side part if you want, and it gives you more space to, you know, style your hairline the way you want or style your baby hairs without, you know, worrying about exposing any of the tracks or any parts of the cap in the back of the wig. Now, as you can see, it comes pre-layered, pre-curled, and they added some foam rollers to the packaging just to preserve the curls, and I'm loving the styling already. I love the Swiss brown. I still haven't tried it on yet, so I'm still kind of nervous, but it looks gorgeous, and I know you see them blonde highlights in the back. How cute is that? Now look at that transparent HD lace. You can already see just by me putting my hand up against it how nice it's going to be once I install it. Now this is a 13x4 lace frontal. It's ear to ear lace, and it comes glueless ready with side combs. It has combs in the back, an adjustable strap in the back, and you know, once you see that adjustable elastic band sewn on the inside of the cap, that this is going to be for the glueless girlies, okay? If you don't have time for the spray, the gel, the glue, whatever, this is right up your alley. I didn't think it was too loose, and I also didn't think it was too fitted, so I think this is going to be kind of universal to everybody's comfort level and cap size. And I'm really loving it straight out of the box. I'm really happy with the hairline, and seeing as though it was pre-plucked, you know, sometimes when we hear pre-plucked, it don't always be pre-plucked. So I was glad to see that I wasn't going to have to do that much plucking to it, thankfully. Swoop unit number 4 does come in 18 inches as written on the stock card. If you're not crazy about length, then you should be fine. But I just love the style of this unit so much that I really wish that it was a little bit longer. It fits really comfortably behind my ear before me even cutting the lace. But that's the first critique I guess I have. Now, Miss Swoop number 4 looks like a winner so far, but let's not just take it for the first impressions. Let's go ahead and get into this install, and I'll meet you on the other side. pretty is this hair? Off the bat, I love the yaki straight texture of this wig, although I really do wish that it came a little longer than 18 inches. Now, I cannot get enough of this Swiss brown color. I was nervous that it would make me kind of wash out, but I will definitely be grabbing more units from this series in this same exact color, because I think I just found my summer color. I didn't go ahead and try the baby hair styling just yet. I just wanted to get a feel for the wig before I played around with it. But so far, so good. Now, I will be, you know, taking the baby hairs back out, which blended pretty well with the rest of the unit, I must say, when I added the hot comb to the hairline. But I'll be taking them back out and just trying different styles and experimenting with it. Just to see how well this extra lace space in the Swoop series helps you style the wig out. But I'm in love so far. I will have to say, I'm definitely in love with this. From the pre-plucked hairline to the transparent lace that blended so well with my cream foundation, to the layering and styling of this wig, I have a whole lot more pluses than minuses when it comes to this particular unit, which I love. And I don't know, I'm going to try to see how well this holds up as a synthetic wig with multiple wears. If not, this is definitely a wig that I do not mind purchasing over and over and over, okay? Because you know how you just get that one special wig that you don't mind buying over and over. This is definitely one of those ones that I'm going to put on my list. Is it worth the coin? In my opinion, I will say yes. Not just because it was my birthday hair, but because I tried something new. I tried something out of my comfort zone, and I really like it. Now, to all of you who have already tried several different units in the Swoop series from Perfect Hairline by Outre, please, before you go out online or in your beauty supply store and go and purchase any more of these and take them off the rack where I can't buy any of them, please, before you do any more of that, go ahead, meet me in the comment section. Let me know what units you've tried, what colors you tried, and which ones you think I should purchase or try out too. As always, friend, thank you for clicking play on this video and all of your support throughout my years on this channel. Thank you so much. And of course, you know, I will meet you right here, same place, next time. Peace out.